Ну что, доброе утро, good in the morning. Welcome to Bud Nixon channel. Всем добро пожаловать на канал Bud Nixon. О, великолепная погода, great weather. We've been dumped with a little bit of snow. It's roughly 6 a.m. and we're heading out to the mountains. 6 утра, ребятки, мы в горы. Вы на канале Bud Nixon, you're on Bud Nixon channel. This is a bilingual channel. Это двуязычный канал на русском и на английском. Если вам это не по зубам, переключайтесь, смотрите другие великолепные видео от других ютуберов. If this is not your cup of tea, switch over to another beautiful video by another YouTuber who only speaks your language. But anyways, we're going snocatting. This winter storm was projected to bring about 200 inches over the holiday weekends. So we're hoping to hit the right thing. У нас передавали около 200 инчей, это что-то там в районах 5, 8 или 10 даже метров снега. Короче, снега должно навалить, друзья. Смотрите дальше. Blizzard conditions a little bit. Камера не передает. Well, whiteout conditions. Метелица, метелица. Ну что, мы снова на снегу. Снова в наших любимых условиях. We're back to our favorite conditions. Nice and stormy through the Cascades. We're pushing some nice pow already. Great dry snow. Let's start heading up. Поехали дальше, как говорится, на наше место. Идеальные условия, сухой снег. Кот, как говорится, в идеальном состоянии, работает как надо. Все отлично. Поехали. No snow too deep. Well, balls deep. По самые, как говорится, хочу снега. Oh, beautiful. Just awesome. Снег еще идет. Просто лепота. Просто лепота. Что такое много снега? Когда он даже выше гусеницы на кете. When it's higher than cat's tracks. Literally. Oh man. Володя, what do you say? This is insane. Check this powder out. Yeah, baby. Yes. Super. We had some visitors. Wes and Lex were visiting us. Good to see you guys.
You too. Thanks for the hospitality. I enjoyed your mansion.
Not a problem. The mansion Bud Nixon.
Yes. Yes.
Good times. Whoop. This is going to be a while until it warms up. I think we got a little more broth than we need, but it's okay. So, what's for lunch? We're early dinner, late lunch. Pho. We're gonna have some pho. So we settled in a Mabiba tent. I made some pho broth at home, and I brought all the fixings with us. And we got nice and warm. Diesel heater doing its job. Дизелек работает отлично. Тут тепло и комфортно. И можно, как говорится, начинать вкушать. Тут можно и фа покушать. We like it in style. You play well, you eat well, And then you work well.
And you sleep well.
And you sleep well. Yes, sir. Ну что, приятного аппетита. И тут Володя решил поучиться, как летать на своем новом дроне. Он сейчас как взлетит. Как взлетит. Уа! Америка. Ночные покатушечки. Little night running. Lots of deep pow pow. Pictures. More pictures. Снега просто под капот. Просто пушок. Зверство.
Поехали.
So, что же у нас на ужин, друзья? Масло. What's for dinner? Butter. What's besides butter? Some lobster tails. Ooh, pretty boys. Look at that. Let's get this heat down a little bit. Let's get these guys. Let's get them to their program. On tonight's show, cooking on Tembo Tusk with Nixon, it's lobster tails. Hello guys, my name is Nick. I don't really cook a lot when I'm outdoors. This is my first time ever cooking on Tembo Tusk, and I would like to give my true and honest review of this product. But all jokes aside, we're gonna make some lobster tails, some homemade butter spices, and we're gonna brush that up onto the lobster and make that all work right for us. Get the butter. Get that butter inside. Make it nice. Brush it in. Some secret spices. Secret Costco butter. Secret home greens. Secret homegrown pink salt. Secretly brought into the country Himalayan pink salt. That's what it was. Ну что, доброе утро, бояре. Guten Morgen, everybody. Guten morning. Another beautiful morning in Oregon Cascades. We're doing a little snow camp out around Santiam Pass area. Been beautiful night. It was a beautiful day yesterday, and this morning is just gorgeous. So let's switch the camera over. We got a little dusting of snow at night. I'm gonna say probably, I don't know, I'll say 4 inches or so. Выпало немножко снежка вчера. За ночь подсыпало. Ну, за целый день, в принципе, насыпало хорошо, потому что I mean, over the time we've been here, we've gotten probably, I'm gonna say 8 to 10 inches. So, Vlad is getting ready. What are you doing? Opening up the vents? Yeah. Vlad's cooking up breakfast. I'm gonna start prepping the cat for the next outing. I'm gonna open up the other van side.
Open the back one too, please.
Yep. So my Biba tent is doing great in this wintry conditions. So we got vent here. The ventiляция у нас будет. He's running a diesel heater. Whew. Many people are asking about what that thing is. That's a trailed fuel can, or it's a liquid cell, water cell, whatever you want to call it. Fluid cell. You can use it for fuel, you can use it for water. And it's just gorgeous. It looks like over there it's already dumping some snow. So let's make this right. Let's go start the cat and have some breakfast. Время что? Почистить кэта чуть-чуть, прогреть его, позавтракать и в путь. Today's goal is to go out, hit over the hill, get over to Highway 22 area possibly, and fly some drone, get some drone footage. На дронике полетать, записать, как кэт топчет снег, будет интересно. Так что все, смотрите дальше. Салют! И вот как вот успеть все? How do you have time to do everything? How do you have time to do everything? I told Vlad, I said, while I was starting up the cat, you making breakfast, so you record. So we're having a tempo task breakfast. Egg omelet with cheese. So tempo task breakfast burrito. This little guy started. Напыхтел уже там, начернил. So, let's go. Идем. Snowshoes, снегоступы. По такой глубине только, иначе проваливаешься по самой не хочу. Snowshoes, otherwise you sink in like chest deep in this powder. Got a little clearing here. Time to record some footage for you guys. Cat back there. Let Vlad drive it. Ooh, it's getting windy here. Let's see what we can come up with. Cross country on the cat. I think we're pushing the limits.
Pretty much.
Volodya у нас about 6 foot tall. Well, don't even bother digging yourself in. It's deep. Beautiful day today. Сегодня просто прекрасная погода. Пройдем, покажем, что нам впереди. Вот такая красота. Waist deep walking through this powder. Beautiful.
Все. Let's go. Woo!
Is it cold? Is it a bit nippy? I know, hit the side. Volodya. Hit the side sometimes. Пау-пау. Снежище. Just snocatting around. So while I'm working on some firewood, пока я дровишки тут готовлю, Володя кошеварит. What are we having, Vlad? Что у нас на обед? Philly cheesesteaks. Look at that. Нями-нями in my tummy. Приятного аппетита, друзья. Bon appetit, my friends. Знаете, друзья, пища, она даже вкуснее на природе. The food's even tastier outdoors. So, let's eat. Короче, заходишь такой в палаточку, дрова рубил, а тут раз, подарочек от коровки, филе миньон на темботаск. Филе миньон ан темботаск. Это у нас кипит фа. Бульон фо. Fa broth has reached its rolling boil, да? Rolling boil. Next, we're slicing up some steak that we're gonna have along with pho. And now it's time to eat this delicious food. Что, ребятушки, покушаем. Мы, как говорится, в гостях у Деда Мороза Никсона. So, it's morning 2. Утро второе. Мы проснулись пораньше. Woke up a little bit earlier. Went to bed not too late either. At night felt like it was drizzling, misting. Not really rain, but just kind of wet. Something wet. Because trees are still white. Ночью что-то моросило, видать, со снежком вперемешку. Так что как-то интересно. Ну, в общем плане получилось неплохо. So, today is the day we pack up and head home. Wednesday. Сегодня среда. Едем домой, 29 число. Show you guys how it looks all around. So that's what we got at night. Вот так вот ночью снежка подсыпала. But still remains quite beautiful. Nippy outside, chilly, not too bad. I don't know, maybe some of you guys have questions about this box. Because I know I posted on my Instagram and such. So that's my air intake box. So air intake filters in that box because I'm trying to bring it out from the heat of the engine bay. Суть простая, что воздухан должен дышать. Right in there. Дышать холодным воздухом И после того, как я это сделал, мотор совсем стал по-другому работать. After I did this way, the engine started working beautifully. This is a 4BD1T, which is a Isuzu box truck diesel, 4-cylinder, 3.9, basically a Japanese copy of the 4BT, I think, or vice versa, whatever. Straight pipe with a GR403 transmission. Мотор 4 BD1T, он же японец, который стоял на грузовиках в Америке часто, 3,9 литра турбодизель. Вот, закроемся здесь, пока сейчас будем заводиться. Time to get this thing started up, warmed up, and we're gonna start slowly packing, cook the breakfast, and then pack some more, and then head home. So thanks for checking out the video. Again, Happy New Year's, belated Merry Christmas. Всех с праздничками, с Новым годом наступающим. И, как всегда, смотрите хорошее видео, как говорит адвокат Егоров. Все, салют, народ. Обнимаю всех. Bye-bye, everybody.